So to add a Wi-Fi toggle to the control center on an iPhone with iOS 18, you can create a shortcut and then add it to the control center. So number 1, open the Shortcuts app. Number 2, tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then number 3, in the search bar, type Wi-Fi. Number 4, select Set Wi-Fi. Number 5, select Turn and Change. Number 6, change it to Toggle. Number 7, tap Done. And then at 8, rename it to Wi-Fi. Number 9, customize the icon. Number 10, go to Control Center Settings. 11, tap Add Control. 12, find Shortcuts. 13, select Wi-Fi shortcuts. Then lastly, adjust the icon size. You can also use the control center to temporarily disconnect from a Wi-Fi network or see the name of the connected Wi-Fi network. And there you go.